How you doing, everybody? This is Murad, and today I'm gonna tell you how to edit any video on Adobe Premiere. It's super easy. The most important thing at the beginning is how to organize your footage, because organizing everything at the beginning before you start to edit, I would say that's gonna finish more than 60% from your trip in this project. So here I'm starting first episode folder, and I will make the new folder and I call it footage, and second folder call it music, and third folder I'm gonna call it export, and another folder I'm gonna call it Adobe, which is the project. I will open the footage and I will take my footage that I film it and I will copy it here, and then go back, go to the music, here the music. So what we will do, we will start to open Adobe Premiere, the project. Here I'm gonna open new project and I'm gonna call it, naming everything is too important, so I will call it here first episodes how to edit, and I will go to the location, choose, mine is here, first episode, Adobe folder, select, I don't need any, just create. So I create the project, and here what we have 4 windows, many things. Don't panic, it's super easy. You're gonna import your footage here, you can press on that. There's many ways you can press on that. You can press Command I, you can press File, there's something called Import here. And I'm gonna go to the footage and I will edit all the footage. And I will also add the music. Okay. To create sequence, there is many ways, but the easiest one, because I like to do some tricks, I will go to the footage here. From here you change the preview of the footage, of your footage. So I would say I'm gonna use this, and usually I would like to organize it depend on your name, on the name, to make me see how I film in sequence. Because if you film, so you imagine how to edit it when you start, which clip you will take, all the things. So okay, I'm gonna take this. You have many ways. Here we can create new sequence, but if you open this, you're gonna go through many options, which is like a lot. So the most important thing, or the most easiest thing, that you can go to the footage and choose you, like I would say I'm gonna take this clip, I just gonna take it from here and put it on this guy. Boom, that's open to me the timeline, and here the preview, and here the effect control. We're gonna use it a lot, but not in this video. So let's say I add it here. Okay, I need to take the clip from here. Okay, you can press on C to change your mouse from selection tool to razor tool. So C, when you use C, you can just cut from here and go with the timeline. When you do preview, you can make it faster, which is you can press on L at the keyboard. L show you faster as much as you can to help you. So let's say, okay, I'm gonna take here and I'm gonna cut when she do this. Okay, and I will go to the second clip. There is another way here. I'm gonna show you how to cut. You can cut from here. So I'm gonna start here when she starts to do the same action, and I will press on I, and I will take all this and I'm gonna put it here. Oh, there's something here. When you do this, it didn't import. So how you fix that? It's super easy. So there is many ways. The first way, you can choose here, drag video only. When you drag it, it didn't drag. When you drag it here, it will drag. So here, when you take it, now it's working. But the problem, when you put it, there is no voice. You can go back again and take the voice and put it here, okay? And when you go to this, you can choose both of them, right click and press link, which means to be one clip one more time. Or there is another way. You can take it, all of it, and put it in new sequence by itself. It will open a new sequence for you here. And then take from here, Command X, go back, Command V. I would say that's too many steps. So I will back. I will tell you the easiest way. You see this V1, A1, to just unselect all that, just unselect all of them, okay? And try to import it again, it will work. That's a very good trick, gonna be easier. So, okay, back again to our project. So the most important thing, when you cut two clips together, try to cut action on action, movement on movement. Why this? Because when you cut in that way, when you watch, you didn't feel the cut. So when you go here, she starts to take off her back. And here, same thing, she take off her back. So when we do put the two clips together here and press play, yes, so bum. That's a good cut. But let's say if we cut it here, do it like this, that's not good. So we go back, we cut here, okay. I'm just trying now to cut action on action. That's gonna be super easy at the beginning. Okay, now she tried to open. When I'm filming, I'm trying to start with action and finish with action. Here, she open and the light is open. Okay, here, cut. Back again. What the next clip? This is the next clip. Okay. Here we go. I can choose from here that. Okay, and I will take it like this, but just imagine when we play, open, yes, open, which means it's not good. So what we can do, because I like it from here, so I'm gonna, before the light get on here, I will take the other clip and I will put it, like, I like to put it in that way, to just put it at the top, do it like that's called bridge cut or whatever. So back again. Okay, so here, watch. Okay, she take this, cut, looking, let me see, boom. Okay, let's watch this. Okay, so what's she doing here? When she back, or choose here, when she back to this action, I'm gonna take this and I will put it in the top of that. So bum. Yes. Here you got Katsu. Wait, oh, we don't need that guy. Okay. I just need you focus in this. I'm editing the video only now. So maybe I will change all the sounds after that. But that's called the first draft in any scene. So when they do any scene at the movie, they do it in that way. For sure, a lot of takes. So before that, you have to organize all your takes to pick exactly which take you will put on your timeline. Organizing is the key. Organizing is the most important thing for editing scenes like this. Okay, so okay, here she back again, bum bum bum. And she left. Okay, I'm gonna go by the keyboard frame by frame. She left here, I'm gonna cut here. Back again to this. 3, 2, 1, action. Leave, yes. Maybe we can put it from here. Okay. I'll take that scene. She's going to take her laptop, so when she do this, I will cut from here. And I will put it like this. So we're gonna watch, boom, boom. Okay, now she take her laptop, go to the couch, and that's it. So that's the movie, or that's the scene. Not a movie, but when you put this scene beside many scenes, it will be a movie. Like this. Okay. Okay. Maybe we can make it faster so we cut more fast, or maybe when you talk to your director, he has like different point of view. But basically when you start to edit any scene, it will be in that way. This is my first episode. I'm so happy that you're watching this. If you like what I did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in your comment which trick you need me to do it. I will do it next video. Thank you.